friends, I'm Gaganadipa. This is the last topic of the liver, porta hepatis. Very important topic. So porta hepatis is usually asked for 5 marks. Its relations, boundaries, contents, everything. Where is it present? Everything. So first point, porta hepatis, I have said you. It is a J-shaped structure. I had shown it million times in the diagram. So it is a J-shaped structure. So porta hepatis is a J-shaped structure. As you can see, I'll draw a small diagrammatic representation. So this is the porta hepatis. Okay, this is the porta hepatis, and so there is caudate lobe present above it and quadrate lobe present below it. This is porta hepatis. Caudate lobe present above it and quadrate lobe present below it. Caudate lobe above and quadrate lobe below. So these were the representation. So porta hepatis is a J-shaped structure. We will give the introduction first. So it is the main gate of liver, because it helps in the entry and exit of the various substance. Entry and exit of various vessels. Okay, now where is it located? It is located on the inferior surface of the right lobe of the liver. So its location, it is present on the inferior surface of right lobe of liver. So it is present in the inferior surface of the right lobe of liver. It also provides attachment to the lesser omentum. Provides, so here is the presence of lesser omentum. Provides attachment to lesser omentum. So it provides attachment to the lesser omentum. Now we'll look after the relations of the porta hepatis. So there are 3 relations of the porta hepatis. Remember it as the mnemonics is VAD. V-A-D. Mnemonics is VAD. A vein, a artery and a duct is present. Vein, artery, duct. VAD. A, B, C. So vein, artery, duct. Posteriorly, middle, and finally in the anterior. So as I said, vein, artery, duct. Vein is portal vein of the liver. Artery, A stands for hepatic artery, and anteriorly D is a duct, hepatic duct. So porta hepatis is a J-shaped structure, main gate of the liver, because it helps in entry and exit of various substance. Next comes, it provides attachment to the lesser omentum. It is present on the inferior surface of the right lobe of the liver. So this is the porta hepatis J-shaped structure. You can see here, caudate lobe is present above, quadrate lobe is present below. Relations, VAD, V-A-D. Posteriorly, portal vein. Middle, hepatic artery. Anteriorly, hepatic duct, VAD. So now we'll speak about the entry and exit of the substance. I have said here, it helps in entry and exit of the substance. So which are those entry and exit of the vessels? So in this porta hepatis, 3 vessels are entering the liver and 2 vessels are leaving the liver. So 3 enters the liver and two substance or two vessels leaves the liver. So there are two substances which leaves the liver and three substances which enters the liver. So three vessels which enters the liver are, it's easy. So it is van. So that time we learnt it as vad. Now it's van. Vein, artery and a duct. Portal vein, same. Portal vein and hepatic artery. There was hepatic duct there. Instead of that, there is a nerve called as hepatic plexus of nerve. Hepatic plexus of nerve. So in the portal vein, it has left branch and right branch. In the hepatic artery also, there is left branch as well as right branch. Left branch as well as right branch. Porta hepatis has three structures entering the liver: van, mnemonics, portal vein, hepatic artery, hepatic plexus of nerve. Both has left and right branches. Now we will see the structures which are leaving the liver. So there are two structures which leaves the liver. Easier one as usual, few lymphatics, and here there was no duct, but you have duct in the living section of the liver. So don't confuse with this thing. So hepatic duct leaves the liver. Hepatic duct leaves the liver. So these were the things which enters and exits the liver. So I have finally completed the liver topic. So if you like my channel, please share, like, subscribe, and which topic should I start next? So please comment below. Thank you.